So many people, me have some things I go share with Uno. Alright, me hear them a talk about this girl here who living at the same place where Rosealee live. Seeing? And she run Rosealee foot at Rosealee, you know what I mean? If you move a different type of way if you avoid her, if you don't understand what I mean. Seeing a Shebada, me hear come talk about it. Seeing this girl named Muta. You see me I say, and when from you hear the name, you must know see one of them bad girl there. We tear off a girl face now. You see me I say, some people, Rosealee have some things to say pertaining to Muta. I don't know say Rosealee is at her baddest anytime she up on the internet on TikTok and I address people. So I don't know I miss that. Seeing we have Candy and all my people. I explain the whole England situation because I remember the England trip with Roger, Candy, Mackerel, Cuz and Dime ago. Yeah, my people, remember say them never good enough. You see me I say Candy did it like she did it on her own cause she and everybody with it never really good. You see me I say so when I go hear what Candy have to say about that trip there. Right? Shebada and Shay link up people who don't know the two of them enemy. Rosealee. You see me I say topic of discussion. Shebada also address how again? Me no remember. But we are gonna kick it off, you know, my people. Maybe we add other things as we go along. Make we go hear what them a say now.
Everything and you see when me know which part we gonna stay the day at the interview. Me know which part we gonna stay and me know a certain little thing me did know. You get what me I say? The only reason why I never pass the interview because them tell me the lady told me why I didn't pass. It's there. She tell me why me never pass the interview. She tell me say cause me never know the lady name, the lady will deal with the visa. She fucking told me. So I like say I speculate say that's the reason why I know.
You told Roger that information?
Listen, no, I don't know what they told Roger, but obviously Roger know me never get it. Diamond inbox me and say Candy, no worry, you know get the visa, no, but we are wait per year one, no worry yourself. I told my fuck page gone and all of them suck me a youth. She Diamond herself inbox me. Roger tell Diamond, Roger tell Blinga. Blinga come on the live and start tell everybody that's why Blinga nobody go. Certain information you cannot put out there knowing so the woman a keep a whole fucking party. Roger have him fans who come see him. Cause having fans, Mackerel having fans, me have my fans. So you can't run go, they go tell everybody me don't get no visa. People are go cancel. People are go cancel. As me say, I me pay £500 out of my own money and my own show money and get the visa the another day. You understand? Them do back the visa from before when they realize I never get it, and then me did have to wait a couple more weeks. You get what me I say? And so comes me end up get the visa. No, why am I come? I'ma say me and Roger was the one who helped Mackerel. I'm gonna send you another picture again for sure you send a lie me a tell. Hold on, give me 1 minute. Come still coming and if you tell lie about this. Listen to me, I'm not gonna say Mackerel done survey because I had him piss up like out, make sure can't see the paper. But I was fucking there. Mackerel didn't do a thing on the paper. I don't need to lie about it. You understand? And I took a picture. She told me to take a picture and I did. See, I'm like, Roger, help you fill out the application. Me and Roger did you fill out the application. What is it to lie about? Sorry about the bitch. I'm not going to style her. Sorry about the bitch. Sorry, I am sorry. Okay, I am sorry. My bad. Sorry for calling bitch. Really, really sorry about that. But listen to me and say, me I go send her the picture too. Me I go send her the picture right now so you can stay and you are going to tell me if I lie me I tell. Hold on.
Guys, no tap up his screen, support the live goal. Guys, no stop sending requests.
5,000 on over here and the screen now tap and the live.
Nobody now come up, so nobody send the request. Please and thank you. Let's decline all of them requests, please, because them now come up here.
Alright, now you see that picture? That picture was a nah look picture. As you see, oh, Raja mouth set, and I do it, Raja not even did know, say me I take the picture. You see me because me know say Mackerel want the bag of picture, so I actually went and just click like me, I click and I take picture. We take liar, go and go look on the picture I just send you.
Hold on, let me get my phone.
But just that take like some random nah look picture. You get what me I say? Some can send Mackerel. Actually, I never send all of them. And I like somebody that hide and I say blood clot Mackerel and I sent you know. Me go video this no. But just that like randomly take some normal picture and I sent her all of them. Me send her them. Yeah, some half guard picture. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
So go and go look. You can't even post it up with the people them see. Post up
If you want
everything.
to show the people, you can't. Green.
Me no know how to do it.
No,
Yeah,
Cked
you
go
have
do it.
to
Hold on,
share
the guys. Cked go do it. Hold on, the guys. But Candy, one question too. All right, when the whole thing with the visa come out and you hear Big Baka talk about it, from then you not start view Roger side eye Roger from then. Why you go to England and feel so?
Listen, me no
Roger?
care grudge. I don't care grudges. That's why I called Raja. When me find out, me call Raja. Actually, Raja, me call him the same time. Me no need for have up Raja. Me not go have you up because me want know. Me want know why you do it. Me go call you. Me go ask you. Me no call him accuse him. Me say Raja. Remember say you alone no know this, you know. Oh, this me Raja start for disrespect me. Me a bad man, as me tell you. Remember I told you this before. Me a bad man. Me know you think I'm a pussy. You think I'm a pussy nigga. I don't need to do that. And I say him start behave. And I say Raja take time now. Raja, I call him. That was a
You never put your guard up. You never put your guard up. You never say like you say, you know what? I mean, if you approach this whole situation differently.
Yes, that's why I call him. I no come live about it. I call him about it. That was a nah look picture. Me the over the other side. You get what me?
That's your bag. That's your orange bag right there, so.
Me not really see the whole, like, me not see everything. Me just say, Raja, I help Mackerel. So when they talk about them help me do application, I was on the other side of the fucking table. Like, I was on the other side of the table. Me are the first person done do my application, you know. Me are the first person done do my application. Daima did need help too. Daima needed help too. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm bad to bad knowing cause and him nonchalant attitude because cause can do it cause he probably said show me can't bother. Raja was the one who helped cause too. I'm not saying they're dumb and them can't read. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just telling you who got help. I'm the only person who didn't get help from anyone. And me finish do my friggin' application first. So when them come make it seems like is the application me not get my visa. No.
But what I'm saying
No.
is, with the application, in terms of even a visa application, getting help with that is not even a big deal anyway. To me,
Exactly.
It's
not a big deal.
It's not a big
That's
deal.
the point. So
Getting
when
help
them
with
come
is
and
not a
say
big
a bag
deal.
of thing, I'm like, what? Not alright. Him helping her, I know nothing that. That I don't know. But when members say them come up with the whole thing, so me have to come to now, come say listen, I saw this go and I saw it go. You get what me I say? Because it's nothing for somebody to come and say, alright, so drop down that right there.
It's not like
you get what me I say? Because
it's
it's not a test.
Exactly.
It's not a test so nobody can know.
Exactly.
It's not a test.
Yeah.
You get what me I say? But when them go come and say, that's why I'm gonna get the visa, they go say, alright, no, problem there. Problem there now because them make it seems like I done some does because that's what Blinga said. Oh, the bitch can't ever pass an interview. The bitch can't ever write.
Because she was the first one, even before Mackerel said anything.
So y'all go tell me say Mackerel can't fill out of me have to laugh, no. Maybe sitting the wrong with the AI still, you know what I mean? I think Mackerel's supposed to wear glasses, you know. And she not have none in the video, so maybe she left her glasses are yard, so that's why she couldn't see the thing for sort it out. Guys, Mackerel don't strike me as a person who is dunce. You see me I say? So me not think or reading or anything, spelling or anything are the problem. You understand? But we could watch someone here can there some people.
She was the
go back
first
on the
one.
screen recording them, no man.
Yeah, I remember. She was the
back
first
on all of the
one.
screen recording them, but what she did I say? And anything blinga know a Raja tell her.
That's why I said that's why I said why you never side I heard Roger from then, and I'm not saying you must treat him differently.
Me side eye them, that's why I didn't go to the house. But I stayed by myself with Peaches. So when Mackerel vex through me no come at the house, me did already have up every mama ass, but me no need to bring contention because we were all going to be at one place under the same roof. I don't need to bring contention. All me do, stay away from them.
But you know the main perpetrator you never stay away from, and it was Roger.
Well, all right.
That's my point exactly, because
sometimes you know, sometimes you have to kick off before you kick it. Because if me know, me not cut you. You have a pint, and sometimes you have to kiss ass before you kick it. Knowing that Roger was the only one who had a ride, I did need food, I need my nails to get done, I need to get my lashes done for the party, I need certain things. He was the only one with a ride. So I said, sure, all right then.
And then you put yourself in a situation where Roger even start add more things to one never even go so. According to
you. Kyle, when him are the one where I push me upon him because I talk about him have money, you know, girl, him this and him that. Me no sell from a bar, me never sell pet. You get what me I say? Mr. Roger did it a force upon him because I talk about me a good person for him because I call me this and me that. Roger I want whole investigator, Roger I want whole set up, Roger weird.
The promoter,
Roger weird as fuck.
The promoter would have.
And as I said, listen to him say, as I said, even if I wanted to, because I collect some money, I might put on a man, I'm a single. And so fucking what? Who the fuck I fuck for free in 2025 anyways? Why would I go to England, fuck someone who has so much money and don't get $5 fucking? You understand? And if me did want to do it, oh, could I tap it? Oh, that's what I'm saying. Me no have a man, me single like Pringle, I'm over England and hustle for me and my daughter. Oh, could I stop me asking out my tight, pretty pussy for Roger cousin? Oh, could I stop it? Come on, come and justify it. Me now come. Oh, me never. No, me I say if I wanted to do it, who could stop me? No one.
And that's true.
Nobody.
You're grown.
Okay, because and I like say me there with Raja brother and Raja know my man when me there with I'm go England and fool on another man. I'm a point. Nobody know nothing about me. Me never have no man, and I like somebody have a man and me have me there with Diamond brother, I'm there with Raja brother, I'm go over there and make a fool of myself and I work myself. No, I had no one. So if I wanted to be with Raja's cousin, I could.
Yep, yeah, definitely.
I could. No, nobody could stop it.
Yeah, most definitely.
And I like some come and them know me man and me a cheat for my man and a bag of infidelity a go on and me a go like me a good girl and me a cheat. No, I had no one. That's the thing. Me not have nobody. So when them a come on me I say then well I mean I want a big man. And me tell her this, yes, Raja cousin clean as fuck. Raja cousin really clean and if me did want it, me could have do it. Him bring me rose, him bring me flowers, him bring me food, him bring me chocolate, him bring me this and him bring me that. I just never want to do that. Knowing say Raja cousin too, I didn't want to go there. You get what me I say? And him never like me. Me not think him did like me in another way than neither because me realize say him personality, him is just that person. You have some man them very nice and people mistake them for say, oh I look them, I look that girl.
They're being nice.
No, sometimes they're just being nice.
He's a gentleman.
You see me? And every man I look and every man I say I look pan you and I smile, them want to fuck you or them want to get in your panty. No. Him just have the overall personality and the reason why I say that I become I see how him treat other people with around him. Me see how him treat Raja. Me see how him treat the other man them, the other females them. So me see him do all of that for me now. Me now made say pussy more. I'm not making that.
He's
Raja, I turn it in something sexual.
The man, the man
all this. When I reach England, me never need money. As me tell him, I got England with more money than I went there to collect.
That's the man put argument for you.
Zara and this and that. The one shoes when I buy for like $80, £80. You understand? 40, 80 pounds. The coat I buy when I take picture in £80, £100. I had money. I could go where the I wanted to shop. I would have to do with you, me a big man. As much as me a 23, I me look like 50. Me can do what the frig me want to do. I went there for a specific thing, and that's what I did. And I did my fucking job so good that the lady called me 2 times after and booked me for 2 more of her events. So if she had a problem with me, I don't think she would find me valid enough to come and do 2 other shows.
Right, that's right.
If she had a problem, I think she would have came to me and say, "You can name me." And I like, "Oh, that one." You see, more time when me and the woman I link up, they don't know. They weren't there. Them not there. First of all, the person when me and them did a part 2 when Peaches did gone, it was Serena's best friend. She was the only one who was there.
Serena is the promoter.
Yes. I feel her best friend up to now. Me still have her number. She called me every day and check up on me. I met some real, like, me meet some real people over there. So all them attack mackerel no know nothing. And as me say, me I go say something about mackerel, come and state certain things. You go talk no know nothing, and then you go say me dunce because the woman name the pan the flyer, so me should have know. And I sent you the flyer and there's no name.
Yeah, there's no name on the flyer. There's
okay. So what else you gonna talk about?
All right, let me move on to something.
As me say, I go with someone all of the question.
Me hear them Big Back come out and say she inspire you for do your body and you pay for your body, and celebrities or people on TikTok, what we consider influencers, don't pay for their body. Did you pay for your body, or was it like, I don't know if you want to disclose that.
Okay, well, first of all, no one knows how Blinga's body look. So even if I wanted to follow her, when would I go after?
That makes no sense. I don't agree with that, because if everybody ever follow somebody go before somebody, and somebody see somebody body like it, that don't make no sense. Let me put that out there. That
which
don't really
picture
make sense.
would I use? Say, all right, doc, I want to look like this.
Yeah, that don't make no sense.
This is who I want to look like. Nobody don't know how Blinga body look. You understand? A girl with that hairstyle and the next girl want to go do it. The hairstyle look good,
and I
go do
agree.
that hairstyle. The girl, the body look good, my body look so. The shoes they look good.
But
I want
everybody
to
says surgery these days. Surgery is regular thing. Surgery is like going to the dentist and get yourself a damn cleaning. Or
okay? So, simple. I'm going to tell you, I don't have to pay for my surgery.
Can you get that
Big up designer bodies, one designer.
One designer body.
One designer.
So,
yeah, and some people, I make it up. Some people, I say, yo, can they never do that for their body in a ray? I'm telling you now, because I know I'm being no good. They say before my surgery, before I have baby, my body T. I can put up, anybody will personally know me, know my body at T. But you see, after I have baby and the whole sickness and my belly was stretched, I did have a mommy pouch, so my belly did soft. You get what I say? So, but go and me got designer body, and I do a tummy tuck, I do a lipo, I put little fat in my hip, I don't put much fat in my hip and my body. If you can go up and designer and you can look
some
on the picture,
fat in your body, right? You put some fat, but not a lot.
Yeah, I put no, like a little bit. If you go up on my Instagram post,
you just feel it all.
I already have body. I been have body, my body been big, and I just put little fat in my hip dip. I'm cute on myself. So if una say have somebody else me I feel like go do my body, well,
no,
so
we're not saying that, because that shit don't make no sense. I'm just saying what she said, and
no,
she
yeah,
said,
me know.
you are no influencer because influencer don't pay for their body.
No. There's not one time I ever came on TikTok or on social media and tell anyone that
Yo, people, as them TikToker you make a money, them gonna do body, count how much of them gonna do body already. As them get a whole a piece of money, straight a designer body or somewhere else and gonna do body. Remember me tell you that. Yo, and all enough of them are left on the table, my people. Them still not tap do them body, Big woman, all the big woman them a do them. Oh, the boy, man, I tell you about Candy say I don't have to pay for him doing body still. Me can't sit down here pay for. You understand? Because she buy down here expensive watch. You see me? So me can't see him a pay for it. But more I know if on the things say them deaf real or just a TikTok thing. Left in the comment section. Make a watch some more.
I'm a social media influencer. I always say, guys, me's a public figure. Come and say me a influencer, but the only thing me influencer don't do a second wood. Ask the people them me never come say me a influencer yet. Never. You understand? And so who gives a fuck what Blinga wants to say? That's alright. Let me tell you. See, that's why me can't come pan here so and do all of this, cause me tell you me no do it. Blinga did want me do it. Fuck Blinga. Who the fuck is Blinga? Blinga thinks that she's this queen pin. Blinga. You see the person who Blinga thinks she is she's nowhere near that person who she thinks she is. You more humble. When we come by your platform and talk. Blinga is nobody. Blinga is nothing. So me now go over Blinga platform and talk and make Blinga feel like say she a run shit. You see like, oh, you humble now? You see when I realize when people go up on Blinga platform, she look very egotistical, like she get this ego, like she's saying yes, like she look like she have this power over everybody. Me not give that power over me. She raise up her head and her whole body language change, her whole demeanor change, everything. So me now go up your platform and make you feel like say, yo, yeah, I have to come over there. I could have went live and this on my own. Me never have to come over here so either. I could have start my life and talk all of them something when me talk. But yes, because me realize that over here some mackerel come and over here so the people them are there, and me realize say you know stay a certain way. I say alright then, I'ma just go up on the same platform and talk about certain things.
And we appreciate your presence.
But me nah know nobody who gives a fuck what Blinga wants to say, even if me I tell the whole world say me are influencer and this and that. Blinga not have no picture out there. I'm gonna go to the doctor and say, Doc, I wanna look like Blinga. I wanna look like she. You understand? And I didn't go to design a body with any pictures. I just told him that I wanted a tummy tuck. I just want to look. I just want to follow me. That's all. And everybody go with picture and everybody want to look like somebody. Right now, I actually look like me did look before I have baby. Me never want to look enhanced. Me never want to look weird. No, me just tell the doctor, so listen, I want to look like this. I showed him a picture of myself before I have baby.
And that's right. Put up my Drizzy, guys. Put up Drizzy. She want to ask a question. And that's fair. You want to go back to how you was before you're pre-baby.
I don't know wrong with that. Want a bigger butt and
that's
nothing wrong with that. At 2025,
I'm pro body girl. Me pro surgery. Anything make you feel better, do it. Nothing wrong with that.
Exactly. Because you see certain clothes me no wear. So when people are talk, boy, Candy can't dress, Candy can't wear this, me wear when my body feel comfortable in, and I say me can't dress. But if my body I go only look good in a big t-shirt and a shorts, so that me go wear go everywhere. You get what me I say? So I not dress, me can't dress. I just that me feel comfortable in.
Whatever makes you comfortable, do it. You don't dress for people, you dress for yourself.
But no, me can't wear anything, no.
You dress for yourself and that's fine.
You can't wear anything, no.
Naked, your business. You do what makes you happy.
Sorry, me a people, no might hear people.
The whole of your blood clots help them 1 and 2. One yam, one and one not hungry. Run up in me suck the liquor batty, so good girl. I'm show you what time a blood clot is. I'm not afraid of your suck pussy. You stink na blood clot. The whole of see you eat your Muta. Dirty sodomite. Anybody like you? Anybody like you in the blood clot scheme? Dirty girl? Anybody like you and see you know? How you know for business? You know your blood clot, so you have germs. And germs alone walk on up a business. Germs. And that's an abuse. Because I was a bop in your mouth of a train and not somebody. Drink come. Yeah, somebody. Yeah, somebody. You somebody. Run up in me today. But they are me here. Remember you and I know me live. Me now move.
Don't creep out on me right now. Alright? We don't know exactly what happened. We're not going back to the house.
Me I wait for your bitch. You run up in a blood clot back slab. You good of a car. You share a chancro. I be a batty boy now. Be a batty boy. Ha ha ha. She bought my garden that she can't come on. Move your stinking blood clot. That who forget how can't come out to your stinking girl. Tell the people say walk you want me walk you down. I'm decide so me now walk you down. Come out to me 20 the drift. I first girl miss come for girl and drift. I walk you want me walk down. I'm decide so me now blood clot walk down. Idiot girl. Come now I'm right now my hand and teeth way. You should have come on me gate. And you know what time it is. I'm spell time for you. Oh. And I always want to take the lion out of people.
Yeah, people. So me hear Shebada with that, you know. I say the woman Rosealee yard front and Rosealee can't come out. You see me? I say so boy my people. All people in a Rosealee community want war with him. At least them say a long time she and Rosealee in a thing still. And Rosealee, you know what I mean? Take caution when it come to she because about a girl for Rosealee. You understand what I say? So this a cussing you know. Where Rosealee you know still you know my people. This a cussing you know. Can bust that the girl up on TikTok, you know. Certain things and certain people you know give no attention most of the time. Because you only go highlight them and make them can dip on the level where you dip on. Sometimes you have to dip up in the sky or in the air and just look down upon them and not give them no acknowledgement. But Rosealee you don't know that. You see me I say make them want you to answer them. Like me hear Ivany say anybody where crave for your attention, she not respond to them. You see me? And I see me Rosealee if you love some people make them stay as a nobody. Make you watch some more people.
Never fire people, never fire burning at me, you know. It's some know, so I'm not trouble in the dog bed them. I'm not trouble this dirty girl, you know. This stinking girl, I come and see if you come see this bitch. Right? I used to talk to her. But I realize when I talk to her, I be a clown out and she want in a people business and people business and people business. I stay far from stinking Muta. I don't chat to her. I never come here one time, I come type and I say, oh, Shaki, baby shower. If I come host it, I'm a mother to black car, me own a friend. I'm saying that you have me up for the internet. The internet not gonna like you so good, girl. Can I would not over here for your suck now, pussy there for your yam. We're not gonna portion to blood clot, girl. You know you're new, now your generation is a portion. Man, beautiful and left, you know, by the blink of an eye. So, you know, a portion to nobody. Stop running up on my man, I'm not afraid of you know. You know, a portion to nobody. Man, breathing and fuck on left, you know. So, at the quintal and look a bit neat. You're upon poor family. Get to me. Talk about the tree some of me though. Talk about me so. This on the week. Every time we want to get together and talk about mother, father, sister, brother, auntie, niece, nephew, and picnic. If you don't want to come to me, get to me. Me's only one person. I want to afraid of me. I saw no afraid of me, so enough to attack everybody around me. I saw no afraid of me, so now try to get to talk about me. Talk about me. Talk about me. When no one get to blood clot, and look on the blood clot trouble. Mama, everybody around me, what about me? I too much fight cleaner than phone on. My family my certified judge, me never hide that. But come tell the internet, I'm not afraid of nothing. And the video you have me Muta drink come once in my face. Me the camera with the mouth talk. I be here say I run it. Show the video with me a drink come. Talk about me. Yeah, attack too much people now, it not make no sense. Yeah, come for me. Oh, your mother suck cocky just like you when you stop. Muta, remember you invent big deal and mash them up. Are you invent that? Is you invent that? Are you alone some big dirty deal and dig out them all and send them to hospital, go admit for months? Are you alone do that in a Sea View garden? Are you alone do that in a Falcon? You alone. So you're gonna play Shebada like your portion to girl. Are you alone for you mash them up? I saw them go hostile for weeks. You alone. So we are run go bitch. Come here. We are blood clot run go. I'm tearing up on ya. You don't know some my blood clot wrong. You don't know so over here so belongs to blood clot means suck girl. Suck pick up, suck piece up, suck big dirty big woman. I want to get a portion to blood clot, girl. I beat your fuck, girl, and bust them up. And drink the bus up and send them to the hospital to lie down. I don't know for your mouth to use or your foot or your teeth. But every girl go with you, bust up. Tell Shebada that. Tell Shebada that. Tell Shebada that. Oh, you bust up girl in a civil garden. Oh, you suck pussy in a blood clot. Oh, you tired for drink come. Oh, girl squirt all over your blood clot face so you yam it. Oh, you lick out batty. You never taught them something about people. Leave them think that you're the worst. Remember you yam shit long time. Cause you're a perfect porn star. You beat up, bat out and done out. Big woman like you know of a man say your blood clot. Go look at work, Muta, you want a job. Go look at work, dog shit. Cause for me know no blood clot walk. You know have to sell pussy. Cause you don't want to get money from. Go look at work, dirty bitch. You want to work. I remember when I beg for ya. Cause you know who for beg. You just enough. I want to sell fuck. Mother black them when they come and take every day so. Black them. Every pussy clad is so don't bother come here. Don't bother come here. Every day. They say every day them live by me. I want them for that. Me not make no portion. Me not make no girl. Me not make no girl with me. No one a portion. And nobody this style me. If uno want do it, fine. And if uno want hear it, see the X button here? But me now make no girl. When me know, when me lock my eye up, me look, a portion of a girl style me. And the last time I checked Muta for profile now, yeah, Muta is nobody. 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 Me not ask nobody that. I tell you no. Out of share don't know which one of them are the worstest. And the two of them carry the same portfolio.
Well, me I say still with people. You have to defend yourself and your name. You see me? But sometimes some people, what they want from you is a response. You see me? I say they want a response from you. A response from you. You see me? They want some highlight. They want come in at the field where you in a. You see me? So sometimes what you have to do, I just don't respond to them. Them are gonna find a way, yes, because you have people like even Shebada Dem and share them when I like Rosealee. We're willing to give anybody way against Rosealee a platform. But you as Rosealee, you make them go chat over this and you don't give them no time on your platform. Because right now, this woman here, if she don't have a TikTok, she can build a TikTok and them same one Shebada share them, give her strength, make she get followers and start go live. And once she start go live, I done it on this. So make me know what to think me people. We can watch some more.
I them put you to live. Them have no brain. Once you come on my gate, I see me a wait pan. Me don't talk. The two of them are the same things, so I don't know which one you look like. You know what about me, Zoe? Muta, but like Muta portion of blood clot, girl. See I run up in a blood clot box and talk about what? I talk about what? But look for your blood clot trigger and put them where you have a come off for me. You have something to go do. Don't worry about your tree, your brother, the tree where you get as grand. Don't worry about them there. Me a one person. I was so. But the internet don't want to take it now. But I'm not going to afraid of one upon blood clot, yeah. I'm not going to afraid for walking on my scheme neither. I want to see me and fast with me. Ramp with me, I'm showing you what time it is. How far the end of the world me can go. You know why I never trouble you know. Yeah. And that's why me not go done. So me know say me right, me not done. Ramp, see me and ramp with me in here. But the internet not hear about it. Me have make the internet hear about it. I don't like internet. I don't like internet. I don't like the internet. You like the internet. Me not go up your yard, you know. Me not go walk up your yard, no, because I don't want what them say. When the judge say who's the aggressor in this case, them say I'm me, because me left down in my yard and go up your yard. I want you come down here today. Come chop off your mouth. I'm going to show you what time it is. You don't even know my blood about for your bitch. You can't up in a no box Muta class, nobody. It's a perfect germs. There is a perfect slime bucket, a perfect dog. The only difference with you, I'll show you, give your pretty them. You make them collect and mine you. You pick them out. That is the only difference. Them collect and mine you, because you don't work. They're gonna carry regular girl so long and go your regular 90 blood clot 5. You don't work. They don't work, Muta. You pick them, you pick them and mine you. Go rest your daughter, them 2 pussies, my name. Go and tell that to go rest. You and your daughter want rest. I come off from my blood clot name. Go rest your daughter, them come off from a bumbo clot name. I'm tired of uno, I'm tired of uno. I'm tired! Pussy blood clot, I'm tired of uno. Go rest of that of them big stinking dirty wall and your mouth. I come off of my name. Them people can rest them that up them mouth. I come up from a blood clot name. I'm not afraid of them, you know. I'm not afraid of none of them because them come. Miss 28 now feel me. So she call, she now feel me. Make them come today. Make Muta make the devil roll and reach and me get to her. She see what time it is. I bet some me not fight today. You know what bet me? You know stick a bet. Make sure let fire till she see what time it is. Behind a witch fence. But behind a fence. Behind a witch fence. But stay behind a fence, righty? Stay behind a witch blood clot fence. Me I idiot? Who to them a bad girl? Stay behind a witch fence. Then me could have blood clot because a girl come for me and my and me stay behind a blood clot because she went out there and I saw me that fool. Want to me to one them. Stay behind a witch fence. She come on my gate and I go to the tour and 20 and she want me walk her down. She want me walk her down, go up there so I decide so I not walk her down. I decide so I not walk you down. Because if you come to me, for me why you? Why you leave it? Why you want me walk you down? I not walk you down. My gate never lock. Me come out to her. She know. So I come out to her with the 20, but she don't come now. That come never come out. Come now, no bitch. Come here, suck it to Lulu by cha-cha. Come here, suck it to Lulu. Buy char, 2 and char, lick up, batty Muta come now. Like come stay behind my fence at the same amount I have. With the same energy. And I behind my blood clot and me come blood clot now. Come here there on live I watch with their fake page. Come now no. I'ma show you what time it is today. Cause I'm tired of you. But you get the last straw my madness. I'm gonna show you something today. Come now. Come here every day I watch with fake page. And your friend there I watch and I call you. Come now. All you gotta do later post by mix up sites. That's all you gotta do. And me not care cause me not go there. And when you scared, when you are say can't face me cause me know you are germs. When you are say about me cannot face me cause me know you are germs. Them now leave me alone. Why? Stop them about Pitney. Me don't want about them on a Pitney. Me want them leave me alone. Allow me. Me a beg the internet. Me not beg you no. Leave me alone.
Alright, so my people, alright, yeah, so me I go end this. Me I go over Shea and Shebada, you know. And guess who them I bring down? Yeah man, yours truly, Rosealee. And me have a advice to Rosealee. You see me I say, and you know what I mean? You see when you start be successful in a life and you find some people have a problem with you, especially in your community, take care of yourself. You see me? You love your community and all these things, and you know what I mean? You see how you live how much years or whatever, and your people them there, so you feel comfortable. So sometimes change is good. You see me I say? Because Rosealee's success, it a mad the people them online, and it a mad the people them in our community. She have problem with how much people in our community. You can't walk and look back at you in your own community. Lift up. You see me I say, pay down for a place and cut, because maybe it reach a level where you see me them hurt you. So people make me know what they think.
Go and nip and clip them. My mother fall up garbage. You can't make my mother win you. My mother fall up garbage. Remember only for on sleep on the one bed. Remember all on the sleep. That's why Jakes can't sleep in. When Jakes sleeping, the people them go grow. Move your nasty self, Rosealee. You want some nowadays things that be your homemade furniture you have in your house. Remember your bed food come with black. Your dresser would have come with piece of zinc. Me not trust your liberty. And you make the people on the internet say you save your money. Cause to the amount of UFO you have in your house, your bed have black, you just must have zinc. Your toilet would have come with awning. No man. Everything people give you take. But only be no zinc on nail, because zinc don't work without nail. And she wants to sit up on the app and argue with people about Shea not have no bed. And Rosealee enough to talk about bed because I black off all up your fat. Black off all up your fat. Where bed foot go with your weight? When bed foot and you feel hard up cement, that's how you shame. No disrespect, nobody shame. So when you sit down and you run up your mouth, when you sit down and you run up your mouth, Ada back. She said for Ada back. When you sit down and you run up your mouth, you're a mascot. You should make the circus leave you. I mean, I want to tell me for other people, and them not tell me add them back, you know. Like what? But she not said Ada, she not said nothing. She not said no adment. She not said no. Oh, see him. Yeah, but as.
My auntie come here, so they don't know say my nice clean friend named Apple, you know, said Rosealee want the threesome with her. But not with Jakes, you know. With our next boy, I not call the boy name. You don't know the Rosealee can do blood clot threesome? Each hour my friend from my friend. She be one. My friend Apple soon come. So she come, me I go join the life because we go bust it up today. Today name bust up blood clot there. Today name pull the bag. Each hour my friend Apple for. Each hour.
Rosealee walk and cuss girl about
threesome. One of them nasty and them say
move and we Muta.
Are you for move?
Move on the right just not
threesome. The woman want the threesome with my friend.
Muta liar thing.
I swear to God, I'm a tree grand picking them life. I'm not telling no lie.
Yeah, yes, uncle. And thanks here.
Me say, she be me go inbox you when time up to come and you add me back to the
Muta, you don't press that dial.
Just check your DM, friendly.
Yeah, Muta keep me posted. Yeah. Rosealee, you're Mickey Mark.
Yeah, she want a threesome.
Like that, cuss out the thing and know so they want to snip it.
But say later.
Yeah,
later will be great, so one more answer. Yeah.
No, Rosealee, Rosealee, sister, Muta never did that tell she things. Wrong smarty. Muta never open her mouth in a private, she do it in a public. Come here, Rosealee. Oh, the threesome I go because that sound like in the bedroom a protest. Threesome for 3 people. Threesome for 3 people, Rosealee, out to order, not protest. And not with Jakes. No, right, you don't need to tell Shane no. Thank you, Muta. Jesus have mercy. Then Rosealee, you can't do them slim people something with the crowd. You're some of them a crowd. And you got to work out to improper fraction. And then we have to go final decimal. And then we have to go look for all certain. Rosealee is still tired. Coming out for no circumference. Stay away from slim people activity. No, then you eat apple, Rosealee. I mean, you eat apple. Because apple no one go in a bed with you. Rosealee, you stink like chink. You want yam up the girl hole with your big mouth. Then Rosealee, you feel to go south of the border. Then on the symmetry and crosses every day. Then Rosealee, between me and you and God and the others. You ever tell me now, say you can't shame out sodomism and you run down Battyism? I don't like it. I don't like it. I really don't. Add share, who say add share? Oh, my fool, I can't add the people and them not.
So people, you don't believe when the woman has say Rosealee want to do a 3 SUMS. Eh? SUM now put on the S. Yeah. Tell me people, they feel like a truth. Well, it did it for everybody. No matter if you're big or you're slim. You see me, I say everybody's sitting, so nothing wrong with that. But the part where they must say she want to do it without her man. So Rosealee loves certain things. That's all we have to tell her. You see me, loves certain things. So people, we could continue watch.
Send my request, goodie. Them not send my request. You think we're not gonna make blame them say, hey, Shebada, where you send my request for? I mean, not even know if I send requests to people. And Blamisha, you know, come here, Blamisha, you're painting spell, Blamisha fell. Blamisha fell. Blame them not feel so well. You see when you do some people, you see what happened to you? Go on, me I come to share goods. Blame them hurt him. Blame them and hurt. Him body warm, like him have inside fever. You have inside fever, blamans? Well, me no want them charge. Me want to give me 2 minutes, please. Because make Blamisha temperature cool down. The cold? Yeah. No, and pinchers. Hi, pinchers. How you doing? Yeah, Shay, where you say goodbye, Shay? Shay, the matter where Nikki bless you up last night.
You see it?
Me say, girl, I'm proud. Little more tears drop out of my eye, but you a bad man, I turn it back. Damn, I wasn't gonna cry. Yeah, I wasn't. So Shay, come here. It's supposed to hurt them. They don't tell me you blame them, rush out and drop.
So they're like keeping her for me and you, but over there.
But over tray with there, they're not 2 fish. They look like me intertwined with Shalom. They just say blame them don't know him head from him foot. Cause he used to use up him bottom and him body. All I know blame them can't show him pocket book when him snow.
Me say, so come here now. Me see one page come over my life this morning when him snow come talk about Shay. Can you explain this to me? Me have to wonder if I know that behind of the page with 42 gift badge. I don't know you. I never know if you name Snow. I wasn't talking to you. You see a picture on my page. Is that you the same person? I don't know. So I want to know who is that Snow behind the page, because the person come and want to address me, but I was at school.
Oh.
Yes, I couldn't get the answer.
They will come back.
I was like, I don't know you. I say Snow, but I'm not talking about you. So maybe you're the Snow behind up the Snow page. I don't know.
We really call up, but blame them baby father.
Right.
No. That is not fair. We should have called them out.
I guess not.
Because remember, it's supposed to be a secret, you know.
Right.
Then you know, your Muta just tell me, oh, Rosealee, you want a threesome.
Let me just did over there a while ago and me hear about me. You talk, I mean, I want to say nothing talk.
Why? Them take out restraining order by your tongue?
Yes. Yes, tell me more.
Well, after they get a grapevine, the ear say, Rosealee a walk about Saddamism. She want taste it, but through her size, nobody no want to lay down with her because them say she favor cow doodoo. Rosealee want young girl and then a walk cause anything where she can't get, she cuss it. If you watch it, if she can't get number one, she cuss it. If you the number one and you interrupt her, she cuss you. So it seems as if every time she talk about yeah, Batman, she can't get the Batman to stay in her hole. Can remember Batman used to do her, and now she eat apple because she want yam out apple hole, and apple say, no, no, no. Yes, remember, Shay, me no want nobody say me say. So me just digitally go put on my silver bells and pretend it's Christmas. It's Christmas time in the city.
What else Muta said? Tell me now.
Yes, me I come the Shay.
Who you from come to me?
Don't say nothing yet, because I don't want nothing miss me. What you say no good else?
What else Muta say? What else she say?
Eh?
What else she say?
When Apple come, she go call me. She said she make call her pin them past Jakes and Jakes full do nothing. She said Rosealee a mascot girl. You always a clean down your bedded though. Yeah man. Your bedded eye though. You go to the ceiling.
Big eye.
You go to the ceiling man. I want them one.
Yeah.
You always do that.
Yes.
One thing no dust can't kill you.
No, cause remember always cleaning and so on.
Somebody says Shay in a hospital couch. Then if Shay in a hospital couch, what wrong with that? At least she have things in her house. Go tell your friend Rosealee to lift up the bed up for the block. Remember me encourage her to change her pity them clothes. Come on, man, in early 2024. That no lie. I never 2024, it was 2023. From this, I should not buy no more clothes for them. You remember the big order on the app? You can't show order again?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I saw more. Me like how blab them skin out. Blab them skin out round the so. Oh, blab them skin out so.
You not take ear, remember him dog rebel? Them dig him out, man. Him do surgery upon him all.
No, him skin, me like him skin out. Black him up a little bit.
You know you carry feelings, girl.
Him too wide.
Then you don't know some wider than we.
No, that's
wider than we who know the industry. Yeah, come on, go on. Blame them good that can't suck with gold. Blame them good that can't ring cocky head with them lip. Me not ask you. Them boy they would have suck them teeth and them gum and get the cocky wind. You know, suck it pan wind, drop your teeth and just suck it so. Yeah, them boy they go that can whisper on body. Blame them go that can tap with yasa and just tap with clarity over yasa. Yo my youth for yasa.
Shebada.
Yeah, what that?
No, I have to tell him this. So say they know say him live with them.
So they must say blame them must live with a man, my people. I want his father. I want me not feel so still. Maybe I him take out the lease for him. But I know what him not live with him. Maybe I him, you know what I mean, make him get the place where him live. Take out the lease. Cause you have to have certain qualification and them way they want bag of something to get for lease an apartment, you know. You see me? You have to straight into the country and them something there. So maybe the man take out the lease for him and you know what I mean, through a film name upon the lease them say him live with the man. So I could watch maybe a minute and then I go end it my people.
David? Them live with one man.
David from the Bible?
Not David from the Bible.
A white man, David.
A white man in live with. And
I'm him catch with.
I'm him catch with. How we are sweep?
God know my memory. What you say blame them live with? One white man?
Yeah, one white man.
Blamas they are lick down a lobster. Hey girl you ask. The lobster blamas are lick down. Them blamas live with what? You see foota I did live with the barber boy and about everybody thing. Tell you, I tell you but you don't believe me. When I call my batty man every day with no signs of batty when I can't beat it up. Shame in a year. Oh, I have to go
We do what we do.
Like every time I tell you the things that you don't believe me.
Me believe you. Why you think me not believe you? Me believe you. Anything you tell me about me believe.
You know, say blame them sad.
Bad.
You say blame them sad. Blame them talk to people any or which boy this has send me request. Why simple J? Why simple J? Yeah. No, for sure. Him live with David. Yeah. One David number. Come on, go live with David too.
So if them have a funeral with the boat away yesterday, why we still there right here? So is a walking dopey? We mean what's going on?
Me tell them say me's a mermaid so around body. So
me's a fish. Me's a fish.
Me's a fish. Did have you?
Yes.
No, then shade. Why you make it? Which mark you did there make him find you? Because I can't find me. Coming up.
I don't know where him find me. Him big me up back. So you never see me at my own funeral.
You may see her celebrate, but that's why I said him back.
So me I wonder if you never see me at my own funeral, I dance and I go on and I put on my glasses and I shed 2 tears and wrap up my head. You never see me?
I see you, but may I tell you the truth? I swear it's a festival in the day.
No, I'm a one funeral.
Oh yeah, that me see Mama Swings a festival. You see who is Benita Rosealee a mass run? Me think that no, me think a festival.
No, me dey am own a funeral. I enjoy myself. Sweet
You
girl.
can run Williams Entertainment Center, you there.
And my funeral, my brother, like
Fire.
yes, me dey am own a funeral. I kick up.
You never know say that keep you.
No.
You ball and you never know say you ball.
Not even know say me a ball. I pass and a pass.
You see that's why I'm in a fast for people in the right, you know.
I pass me a pass and a pass.
Oh God, look at you.
And stop and me hear some music and play and me say no to blood clot. This feel good. And
You
me
never walk casket.
no, me never walk me.
When you leave, somebody say to you, say are you?
Yes, and when me I left, then tell me. Then tell me, say, you know, say, chef, now, I say, I write to some, I stay, me, now blood clad move.